Alright, hey all, we're here at the Sarnia VS station. We got the CN A491. This is one of the slow trains. This and the 385, they're both very slow when they come up. Looks like it's going to be one of the 2 CN, the standard ones that they've been using lately. Most of the trains have been exactly the same, 2 CN, except for the last one. Sun going down the other way, so this train should have the truck frames. 491, 385, they're both similar trains. Lots of this, but they'll have truck frames. Probably be some in the middle somewhere and then some near the end. Not always, but well, looks like somebody's playing some puzzle there. Some puzzle work. Oh, these are a little different. Hollow beams, rectangular and square ones. I don't know if I've seen too many of them going over. You know, we get a lot of aluminum, goes to the States. We export a lot of aluminum, and a lot of these truck frames go over. A lot of them are made in Canada here. Of course, a lot of lumber goes over. We export a lot of lumber to the States and aluminum. Of course, in these things right up there, truck frames. Like I said, this train is slow. Always is. 385 is usually worse. It's the slowest train that goes through here. By a long shot, usually. But still nice, you get to see everything a little bit better. It's just a 10-minute video, that's all. Alright, we're gonna have some in the middle, and I don't see any more down there, so but we'll probably will get some near the end. Again, this is the A491. I know there's 2 more numbers that usually follow that, but they usually don't use that. I forget, the 491 might be like 49171 or something like that anyway, but when you look up the train numbers, it shows a 5-digit number. think this is my 5th train today, maybe 6th. Oh, sorry. Wasn't even gonna get trains today, but I was out with a friend of mine. So it was more like a get out day, hang out, and get some trains. And a couple ships earlier. Planning our next trip to Detroit Airport to get some more jets. And then going to be hopefully going down to Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania, and Ohio for a train trip. Not on the train, but going to video, doing this. Don't know where all we're going to go for there, but I believe our target locations, probably not going to all, but is Dunkirk, Westfield Railfan Park, maybe Berea again, Fostoria, Marion, and Deschler. These last 3, of course, or last 3 or 4 are in Ohio. And last time we went on our trip, we stopped in Erie, Pennsylvania. Got some track stuff there too. We didn't know where to go, but we found a spot. It was pretty good. Nobody around. 5 lines. Of course, that's the CSX NS tracks on pretty much all the locations that we went.